1. High-frequency trading, HFT, and market inequity. How HFT works. HFT firms use their superior speed in transmitting data to execute trades before ordinary investors have time to react. This makes them big profits, but hurts other investors. HFT doesn't create real value. Lewis argues that HFT firms don't contribute to market efficiency, but rather exploit it for their own profit. The unfair system. This book shows how the powerful in finance have exploited information and technological asymmetries to gain an advantage. 2. The role of technology in finance. The importance of speed in the modern financial world. The speed at which data is transmitted between exchanges is a key factor in success. HFT firms have invested millions of dollars in infrastructure, such as fiber optic cables and data centers, to enable faster trading. Unfair advantage. These technological innovations do not benefit ordinary investors, but only serve HFT firms, widening the gap between insiders and outsiders. 3. The flaws of the financial system. Lack of transparency. One of the biggest problems Lewis highlights is the lack of transparency in how exchanges and HFT firms operate. Information abuse. HFT firms often take advantage of information about investors' orders to buy stocks in advance and sell them at a higher price in a split second, a strategy known as front-running. Reform needed. Lewis calls for greater oversight of HFT and how financial markets operate. 4. The importance of integrity in finance. The story of the heroes in the book, a small group of individuals, led by Brad Katsuyama, stood up to the injustices of the system. They realized that HFT firms were abusing the market and were determined to build a fairer system. IEX, a transparent solution. Katsuyama's team founded the IEX, Investors Exchange, with the goal of bringing fairness and transparency, limiting the impact of HFT. Ethical lesson. The book emphasizes that in a fair financial system, the interests of investors must come first, instead of being dominated by short-term profits. 5. The value of understanding the system. Knowledge is power. The book shows the importance of understanding how the financial system works. Smart investors need to be aware of the tricks and strategies used by HFT firms. Avoid being exploited by understanding the loopholes. Investors can protect themselves from the negative impacts of HFT. 6. The rights of small investors. Small investors disadvantaged. The book highlights how small investors are often disadvantaged in a system that favors large companies. The need for better rights. A fair financial system needs to protect the rights of all investors, not just those who can afford advanced technology. 7. The book's impact on the financial industry. Shocking the market. Flash Boys sparked a major debate in the financial industry about the fairness and ethics of HFT. Promoting reform. The book has contributed to raising awareness and spurring lawmakers and regulators to take action to more closely monitor HFT. Lessons for the future. The issues raised in the book remain a reminder that the financial system needs to be continually reformed to ensure fairness. Conclusion. Michael Lewis's Flash Boys is a powerful call to action for a more transparent and fair financial system. It not only provides an insight into the world of high-frequency trading, but also highlights the importance of protecting investors' rights through the stories of those who dare to confront injustice. Michael Lewis encourages us not only to understand, but also to participate in changing the system to build a better financial future.